Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the most important video of all. We're gonna change the valve cover. All right, so obviously as we saw in the previous videos, the valve cover is cracked. We've got our brand new valve cover, our handy add tools. All right, let's crack her open. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, the air boxes are out, the coils are out. Got our little bolts there, got our coils all labeled, got the new cover. A volunteer, Mr. Alvin. Okay, let's get this cover out. Here we go, this is gonna be fun. I hate doing this part, but at least it's pretty quick. Okay guys, we got the valve cover off. Everything looks nice and dandy. Our camshafts look good. Yep. I don't see any issues, obviously, other than what we have on the valve cover. So what we discovered is, not only is it cracked up here, right? That's what we saw in the previous video, but it's also cracked pretty badly over here. You can kind of see it. There it is, right there. That's where the major leak is coming from. So it's obviously crack right there. It pulls into here, and obviously because the valve cover is sitting like this with gravity, it all pulls into here and then leaks right onto the exhaust. Well, hopefully the problem is solved. I'm pretty certain. Whoa, that was almost caught that. You didn't. But I didn't. Anyways, let's prepare the new valve cover. Let's get everything out of the way. This one's already got all the gaskets on and all the bolts. We're just going to transfer some of the top parts. We even got the new little boots for the, whatever you want to call it, the threads for the coils, which is super nice because the previous one, some of them were stripped, so that helps a lot. Let's go and finish this one up. I do need both of my hands, but we're having a lot of fun here. Okay, let's tuck the harness underneath over there so we can easily get this valve cover on, and then let's get to tightening everything. Not bad. 1 hour. And we're halfway done. Alrighty, and actually before we put the cover back on, we just made sure that everything is nice and clean, that there's nothing else damaged. The head looks good. There's no cracks, no nothing. It's all nice and clean. We've got the harness tucked underneath over there so that we have clearance. Oh boy, okay, we got everything moved out of the way. Now all we gotta do is just put the cover back on. Let's get that done. Okay guys, and just like that, we got the valve cover back on. All the bolts are screwed in. Let's bring the harness up to the correct level. Let's reattach that bolt and put the coils back in and start the car. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after a long, fun time, we got the coils back on, all plugged in. Got some new screws for the coils. Brand new cover with bolts, gasket. All the wiring and everything is correct. That's back on. This bolt is back in. Time to put the air boxes back in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, everything is reassembled. Let's start the car. Make sure it's good. Close your ears. Exactly. Seems to be fine. Okay, cool. Okay, I think that's good. Cool. Okay, so we will only truly know. Wow, smoky. Yeah, probably all the oil. Jesus. Yum. Yum. Yeah, is it? Yeah, looks like that's...
Yep.
Yeah. Coming off the header. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, so we got a little bit of smoke, which is good. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, he's right, yes. Okay, hopefully it doesn't catch fire. Okay, let's close everything up, clean up, and let's go for a drive. Make sure everything's good. Alrighty then, you guys. And just like that, we are on a nice little drive. Car feels normal. Don't feel really any issues. I think we should be fine. There's no smell. I am currently running the heat not on full blast, but hey, finally it doesn't smell like oil in the cabin, because I think we got all the oil leaks taken care of. That's it. I think we are now good. Now I can blast the heat, drive, have no oil leak, no smell, no smoke, no nothing. That's how you do a valve cover. Yeah, this transmission is still learning. Wow, amazing sound. Okay, y'all, I'll see you in another video. Thank you all for watching. I'm gonna try to get a couple more repairs in of whatever we need to do. Plus, I'm gonna do my best to get not just these little cuts here and there, but like actual action where, you know, somebody films me. But it's not easy when you're just trying to rush a repair and you're trying to get it done as fast as possible and move on to the next thing. It's not easy, but hey, it is what it is. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Eventually, we'll have live POV filming and whatnot. But in the meanwhile, thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in another video. Peace, y'all. Love y'all.